Cardano ADA to $1,000, third largest cryptocurrency now. Cardano ADA news today. Cardano ADA has become the world's third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, according to CoinGecko, after its price surged 12% over the past day to a new 12-week high. The cryptocurrency has enjoyed a steady uptrend since bouncing off of $1 support on July 19th and is changing hands at $2.03. In the past week, ADA's price has swelled 46.5%, pushing the asset's market capitalization to $65 billion, ahead of Binance Coin and Tether. Today we are going to talk all about the Cardano price and market cap. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 17th of August, shall we? Cardano price analysis is bullish for today, as a strong base from which to rally has been established above the $2 mark. Therefore, we expect ADA USD to reverse again and continue to rally further along the overall trend. The cryptocurrency market traded in the red over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is down by 1.79%, while Ethereum by 2.5%. Solana, SOL, is among the best performers with a gain of almost 19%. On the 4-hour chart, we can see the Cardano price respecting the $2 support once again overnight, indicating that the market will continue to rally over the next 24 hours. Cardano price has rallied by almost 120% over the past month after a major swing low was established above the $1 mark. The previous two swing highs at $1.50 and $1.90 were broken over the past weeks, indicating that the market structure has turned bullish again. ADA USD continue moving higher from there until the $2.25 mark was reached over the weekend. Cardano failed to see further highs on Sunday and started to retrace. The $2 mark offered support, and the market started to consolidate in an increasingly tighter range from there. Overnight, the Cardano price attempted to move towards the $2 mark again with a steady momentum. Any further downside was prevented again, indicating that ADA USD has likely set another higher low and that further upside will likely be seen later this week. The closest resistance to watch out for once ADA resumes to rally is located around the $2.4 mark. Cardano price analysis is bullish for the next 24 hours as a further downside was rejected once more overnight above the $2 mark. Therefore, ADA has likely set another higher low and further upside can be expected later this week with the $2.4 mark as the next target. Now let's get back to the topic. Cardano has enjoyed a steady uptrend since bouncing off of $1 support on July 19th and is changing hands at $2.03 as of 6:08 a.m. Eastern Time. In the past week, ADA's price has swelled 46.5%, pushing the asset's market capitalization to $65 billion, ahead of Binance Coin and Tether. The rally is largely attributed to the mounting excitement surrounding the forthcoming rollout of smart contract support on Cardano's main network via the Alonzo upgrade, expected to occur before the Cardano Summit in September. Earlier this week, the project's founder, Charles Hoskinson, said that he would reveal the official launch date on Friday, August 13th. The long-anticipated upgrade could help Cardano compete on equal terms with Ethereum, which supports the vast majority of decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, such as lending protocols and exchanges facilitating transactions without intermediaries. With the market having already digested news that Hoskinson will provide more color this Friday, the announcement itself poses the risk of being a classic buy the rumor, sell the news type of event that entices market participants to take profit, writes Pete Humiston, manager of cryptocurrency exchange Kraken's Intelligence Research Division. Should that be the case, market participants ought to keep a close eye on $1.50 support. Bitcoin is trading in the green at $46,380. Other altcoins are also surging, with Ether, BNB, Polkadot, and Uniswap returning 3 to 3.8% on the day. Most price analysts are positive that the price of Cardano will increase in 2021. Going forward into 2022 and even beyond, we will be seeing a huge surge if the current trend holds. Based on what we have seen from the ADA predictions, current trend, and price history, it's safe to say that Cardano is a good investment in 2021. The coin has grown dramatically over the years, and had an even bigger growth in 2021. While most of the other cryptocurrencies seem to be dropping after the recent market-wide bull run, ADA has stabilized and only growing higher. However, Cardano, like any other cryptocurrency, is still volatile, and the price may move against our expectations. So when you invest, you should be ready for some risks along the way. Ultimately, Cardano's profitability may vary depending on your investment strategy. That is, whether you trade for the short term, HODL, or invest in Cardano-based apps. Generally, experts believe that Cardano is a low-risk investment with the potential for great rewards. However, before you start investing, make sure to do some research to make a more educated decision. Why should I invest in Cardano? There are a few good reasons why you might want to consider adding Cardano to your portfolio. For once, Cardano is trying to solve some real issues that were overlooked by both the first and second generation cryptocurrencies. These include the issues of scalability, sustainability, and security. Cardano solves these issues by using a proof-of-stake system and a layered architecture. Also, unlike Ethereum, which has an unlimited supply, ADA is capped at 45 billion coins. This limit will bring about scarcity that skyrockets Cardano's value and demand over the years. So if you invest now, your investment will grow more valuable, especially if you're hodling, as the supply of ADA reduces. Another reason to invest in Cardano is the growing number of decentralized apps on its platform. Demand for dApps is growing, and Cardano, being at the forefront of decentralized finance, will no doubt take center stage when these dApps see mainstream adoption. Cardano is undoubtedly one of the most promising cryptocurrencies today. The project has strong fundamentals with a rapidly growing community, and while many people refer to it as an Ethereum killer, Cardano has managed to carve out its own path and is on the road to parallel the top coins in the market. In this case, it will unlikely flip Ethereum. We have already provided several reasons as to why we think Cardano will make for a great investment in 2021. From scalability, security, to the fact that this is one of the fastest growing coins, there's little doubt that right now would be the perfect time to invest in Cardano. According to the analyst, Cardano's large community and the fact that early investors were fully vested long ago are signs of ADA's strength. He expected ADA to reach $4 to $5 by the end of the year, assuming Bitcoin sees another slingshot to the upside in September or October, which is likely. Despite the optimism, the crypto KOL still concerns that there is not seem to be a comprehensive list of crypto projects that will be deploying on the Cardano blockchain. Moreover, the network also lacks cross-chain bridges with other key cryptocurrency blockchains. All the updates we discussed today have been a long time coming. Whether it's protocol developments, partnerships, or integrations, the years of hard work put in by IOHK, Emergo, and the Cardano Foundation are starting to come to the fore. The craziest part is that this is just the beginning for Cardano. This is as terrifying as it is exciting because so much is riding on a successful smart contract rollout. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land.